Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Alyssa here, and today we are going to be talking about Young Living's Active and Fit kit. And this is a new to us kit, so I'm actually kind of excited about this. Sit back, relax, enjoy, and we're going to learn a little bit more about this today. Alright, so one oil in this kit you cannot buy individually. You can't buy it any other way but other than to get it in this kit, which is okay by me because kits are more affordable. They're more budget friendly. So anytime I can get a kit that has multiple oils in it, I'm going to do it because it saves me quite a bit of money over buying everything in that kit individually. So I'm okay by that. And I want to start by saying I'm not an expert. I'm not a doctor. I am not here to cure, treat, or diagnose or any of those things. So please refrain from any of that. If you have questions, I'm more than happy to help guide you and get you some support that you need, but I am not a doctor and I cannot cure, treat, or diagnose. I've got a great upline that has a lot of great information, and I've got my good resources. So if you'd like some information on those, I can drop those links down below where I get some of my information from. But other than that, yeah, let's take a look and see what's in this kit. So in this kit, we've got Cool Azul, which is this here. Then we've got Peppermint Vitality, RC, Copaiba. There's a few different ways you can say it. All of them are correct. Copaiba, Thieves, and then Deep Relief. So first off, let's go ahead and talk about, if I can point to it, let's go ahead and talk about Cool Azul Sports Gel. So let's go ahead and talk about the Cool Azul Sports Gel, okay? And this I'm excited for a couple of reasons. So yes, it's great for achy muscles after a workout to help break up that acid, to help you get recovery and get back into the gym quicker. But so I have naturally curly hair. I'll have to do a video so you can see it. One of the reasons I'm excited to try this is because you can actually use this as a hair gel as well. Put a little in your hair, scrunch it up, use a diffuser, and it's going to give you those soft curls without all the frizz in a safe, non-toxic way, okay? So if you've been looking for an alternative to some of the gels and hair products and things like that that you can use in the store, but you want a more natural option, Cool Azul Sports Gel, you can use as hair gel as well. I think I should do a video. Might be interesting. Could be kind of fun. Okay. We'll do that. Look for it. It's coming. So, the biggest reason, though, that I got this kit, and like I said, I didn't have a problem buying this kit because everything in here, with aside from the sports gel that we haven't tried yet, we use daily, okay? So, first off is the Deep Relief, okay? So this one right here, the Deep Relief. And this, you can't buy any other way. We got a free bottle of it last January, I want to say it was, as a free promo, and we didn't really have a use or a need for it, but we got it and it was on our shelf. Well, this January my husband went on a trip. He does a lot of Shih Tzu dog training, and it was a lot of walking and running and catching dogs, and it takes a toll on his body every year. Well, this year when he came home, his feet were really bothering him. So I took our Kid Sense lotion and 2 drops of the Deep Relief. Just kind of rubbed it together in my hands to blend everything. Rubbed it on the bottoms of his feet, the tops of his feet, and then I went up his calves as well. And it quickly, after that one application, it quickly became one of his favorite oils. He now asks for it almost daily. He'll just walk in the bathroom, grab everything he needs, come out and hand it to me and be like, here, can you do this for me, please? Because it is that beneficial. And he struggles with pain in his feet on a daily basis, okay? A daily basis. That's another story for another day, but I'll have to find a compliant way to talk to you about that. So, but he has some things going on that, I mean, he literally does. He struggles with it on a daily basis. And with this oil, he finally got relief and his feet didn't hurt. He felt better. So I wanted to make sure that we didn't run out of this oil. And I looked at some of the other things that we needed to order this month, and it was a no-brainer for me because half the things in this kit I was going to order anyway. Well, I can get the kit cheaper than I can buy everything individually. So we got the kit. Okay. Next up, we've got RC. Okay. Talked a little bit about it in my unboxing video, but RC is great. It's especially when you're getting ready to get on the treadmill. If you put some right here on your chest, it has a nice cooling sensation, and it just helps open everything up while you're on that treadmill running. We've got the Thieves Blend, okay? So when you're going to the gym, everybody's been there, they've used the same equipment, it probably wasn't cleaned in between everybody using it like it should be. So Thieves is going to help boost your immune system when you go to the gym. I like to put it in our diffusers at night when we sleep because it helps keep the air clean and purified, and it just helps us stay above the line of wellness with everything that we encounter. And it's been a pretty easy winter so far having this. I honestly don't know how I survived motherhood without it before, but it's in the kit. I'm calling this the Mother's Kit because the next one is Copaiba. Used to come in the premium starter kit, now it doesn't, but all of these oils, like I said, you're going to want to get. You're going to use them all the time, okay? So, get your starter kit, get on Essential Rewards, okay? Get this in your Essential Rewards bundle so you have your Copaiba, more RC, more Thieves, okay? Copaiba. My 6-year-old recently lost a tooth, and his gums were really swollen, and it was just painful for this tooth working its way out. So I took my Copaiba Vitality and I put a little on my finger and I just rub them together until they're dry. Then you apply it right on their gums, okay? He was so thankful for that oil. Anytime his teeth bothered him, he would bring me that bottle of oil. Mom, can you put some more of this on for me, please? It really helps. Would. I put it on. You know it works when they ask for it, okay? You got a new baby, about 3 or 4 months, they start to really drool, okay? Everything's starting to get ready for those teeth coming in, okay? Take your Copaiba, put it in your hand, put a drop of the V6, a couple drops of the V6 vegetable oil. You can add a drop of lavender too because it's a soothing, calming oil. It's going to help with the swollen. Okay, everything in here, it's going to help calm it all down. So put the Copaiba, put the lavender, put 4 or 5 drops of your V6, roll it all together, and then you're just going to apply it right here, okay? Right along the jawline for all your new babies that are starting to get those teethers. It's a painful process for them. But this is going to make it so much easier. It's going to make those long nights easier on mom because baby's going to be getting some relief, okay? They're going to be able to sleep. A lot of times when they've got their teeth coming in, they're not nursing like they should be. So this is going to help with all of that as well, okay? So last up, as far as the oils go, and then there's a couple other things in this kit, we've got Peppermint Vitality, okay? I love to take a pack of hot chocolate, drop a peppermint, fill it up with coffee. Peppermint mocha, okay? But, so this is, you know, going to the gym, working out, okay? If you add that Peppermint Vitality to your water bottle, glass or stainless, okay? No plastic, glass or stainless, okay? Add 1 drop. It's a very powerful, potent oil, okay? So 1 drop of your Peppermint Vitality to your water. And as you're drinking it while you're working out, it's going to help keep you from overheating. It's going to help cool your body, your temperature down. So a lot of times when you're trying to lose muscle or lose fat, gain muscle, you don't want your body temperature to get too hot, too high, okay? So the Peppermint Vitality in your water while you're working out is great for that. It's going to help regulate your body temperature while you're working out. It's also great for the digestive system. Okay. Another thing that I like to do with peppermint is in the summertime, I'll take that peppermint and I'll put it on my temples, okay, right here. And I'll also put it on the back of my neck, and it helps cool you down. So if you've been outside all day, my body doesn't retain water, so I need to keep from sweating as much as possible, because when you sweat, you get dehydrated. So I especially love the peppermint, and I'm kind of weird. So I take the peppermint and I put it in my pits, because when it absorbs in there, it gets into your bloodstream quicker, and it helps cool your body down. So when you're out in the hot sun, you need to cool down quick, put that peppermint in your hand and literally just be weird, join me, okay? Put it in your pits. It's gonna make everything better, all right? So in here also comes a couple filament roller tops, and the two that I would for sure put that on is the RC and the Deep Relief, okay? Maybe the Copaiba as well, I don't know. Thieves, I don't know that I necessarily would, but I would definitely put it on the other three. That way it's easy. You get to the gym, okay? Put your RC on your chest. If you're gonna be working your biceps, just go ahead and rub your Deep Relief on before you work out. It's gonna help support your muscles. So when you're done working out, then you can put some of that Cool Azul sports gel on there to kind of work those muscles and break up the acid that builds up in them while you're working out, and it's going to make your recovery time quicker, okay? So this has been the Active and Fit kit today, and it comes in this gorgeous nylon bag that has a little hook. There's even a little pocket, so if you're going to the gym, you can stick your gym card in there, whatever you need to, clip it to your gym bag. Like I said, this is a great kit for moms too. You can make this into an emergency on the go. There's room here for 5 oils. Once you take the filament tops out there, you can get another bottle of oil in there. You can take the Cool Azul out and put a couple of roller bottles in there. Clip this onto the diaper bag, and you've got a quick little travel bag that you can take with you everywhere you go, okay? So I got it for Deep Relief, but there's things in here that we use every single day, and these kits are more affordable than buying everything individually, so it was kind of a no-brainer for me. So all right, guys, thanks so much. This has been didn't want to stand up there, that's all right. So thanks so much, guys. This has been Oils with Alyssa. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.